If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, your listening skills are the first thing you need to improve. Listening is the base of fluency. It helps you understand real conversations, real accents, and real speed, not just the slow, clear English you hear in textbooks. When your listening becomes stronger, speaking automatically becomes easier. Today, you'll learn simple and practical ways to improve your listening skills in English so that you can understand people from anywhere in the world. Imagine listening to someone speak English, and instead of translating in your head or feeling lost, your brain understands instantly. You recognize the words, the tone, and the meaning without effort. That's the power of good listening practice, and it's something any learner can develop with the right methods. The first step is daily exposure. Your brain needs to hear English regularly, not once a week. You don't need to study for hours, just surround yourself with English. Listen to English when you walk, exercise, cook, or clean. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears will get used to the rhythm, the music, and the flow of the language. This natural exposure is how children learn, and it works for adults too. But it's important to choose the right level. Many learners listen to English that is too difficult and get discouraged. Others listen to things that are too easy and stop improving. The right level is something you understand around 60 to 70% of without subtitles. This level pushes your brain just enough to grow without overwhelming you. If something feels too hard, slow it down or choose easier content. If it feels too easy, challenge yourself with something a bit more advanced. Subtitles can help at first, but try not to depend on them forever. Start with subtitles if you need them, then switch to English subtitles, and later try removing subtitles completely. When you listen without reading, you train your ears to catch sounds, not just words on a screen. At first, it might feel uncomfortable, but after a few days, you'll notice that understanding becomes easier and more automatic. Repetition is one of the most powerful ways to improve listening, but many learners skip it. Instead of watching new videos every day, choose one video or audio clip and listen to it 2 or 3 times. Each time, you catch new details, pronunciation, tone, new vocabulary, or small expressions you missed before. Repetition teaches your brain to recognize patterns and sound combinations, which makes real conversations easier. Another effective method is shadowing. This means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately, copying the pronunciation and rhythm. You don't need to sound perfect. The goal is to train your mouth and ears to work together. Shadowing improves both speaking and listening at the same time. Even 2 minutes of shadowing a day can help you develop a more natural English flow. To become a strong listener, expose yourself to different accents as well. English is spoken worldwide, so you'll hear American, British, Australian, Indian, and many more accents. If you only listen to one accent, you may feel confused when you hear another. Mix your listening sources so your ears learn to understand English in different styles and speeds. Most important of all, be patient. Listening skills grow slowly but steadily. You won't understand everything in one day, but you will improve every week if you stay consistent. Even 10 minutes a day can transform your listening ability over time. Make English a part of your daily life. Listen actively, repeat often, shadow when you can, and challenge yourself little by little. If you do this consistently, you'll soon notice real change. Conversations become clearer, movies become easier, and English starts to feel natural. That's when fluency truly begins.